Welcome back to the Pterodactyl Survive. The GO train is just coming in here now. And I'm on the other side of the Samuel Crossing today because I think that would be better in terms of lighting here. The only thing that would really be an issue would be my shadow, but I'll see what I can do here though. You can hear that F-59 roar out. And here it comes. Yeah, I don't know if I'll get a Doppler effect or not, but I'll see though. I don't know what they're going to be doing with the GO train tomorrow, but I think they're going to be doing something involving the GO train. Okay, thank y'all for watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell. See ya next one.